Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how you can make these delicious Dutch treats at home. These treats called Bosche Bollen or Chocolade Bollen are large profiteroles filled with whipped cream and coated with chocolate. So for this recipe, I used flour, water, butter, salt, eggs, milk, vanilla extract, sugar, and chocolate chips. In a pot, bring water and butter to a boil over a medium heat. Add the flour and stir until it forms a ball. Add the egg and use a wooden spoon to beat in the egg one at a time. So I personally like to transfer the dough to a bowl to avoid the heat of the pan from cooking the eggs, but you can also leave it in a pan if that works for you. Fill a pastry bag with the dough and pipe the dough into a lined baking sheet. Use a wet finger to slightly smooth down the peaks. Bake the puffs in a preheated oven of 220 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. While the puffs are in the oven, beat the heavy cream along with a splash of vanilla extract and sugar to taste. The next step is to melt the chocolate. Place a heat-proof bowl with chocolate chips over a pan with simmering water. Allow the chocolate to melt and stir occasionally. Once everything is melted, it's ready to be used. So here are the puffs. They are golden brown and hollow on the inside, exactly how we want them to be. Allow it to cool down and make a hole in the bottom. You will know when it's full when it slightly bounces back. And now to the fun part, dipping the cream puffs in chocolate. And I like to put it in the refrigerator for the chocolate to solidify, but you can also eat it right away. If you like this, you might also like these delicious and easy to make Dutch pancakes or these sweet and gooey chocolate brownies. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.